Are you tired of feeling stuck in old habits and patterns? Do you want to become the best version of yourself? In this video, we'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to change yourself for the better. The first step to changing yourself is to take care of your body. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, and get enough sleep. When your body feels good, your mind feels good. The second step is to take care of your mind. Meditate, practice mindfulness, and take time for yourself every day. This will help you stay centered and focused. The third step is to identify the areas of your life you want to change. Write down your goals and what you want to achieve. Be specific and realistic. The fourth step is to take action. Break down your goals into small, achievable steps. Start with one step at a time and track your progress. The fifth step is to seek support from others. Talk to your friends, family, or a therapist. Having someone to share your journey with can make all the difference. Changing yourself takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Remember to take care of your body and mind, set achievable goals, take action, and seek support. With these steps, you can become the best version of yourself.